Alright, in this video I'm going to show the demo of how to make a contract called Ether wallet. So how does it work? So basically I'm going to show you how to make a contract to receive and send the Ether, and for the send itself we are going to make the owner to make it the only one who can send the Ether. So that pretty much doesn't explain anything, right? Alright, so without any further ado, I'm gonna show you a direct example of it. As usual, you have to create the license and the version of the Solidity. In this case, we are going to use MIT as a license and then this version of the Solidity, alright? And then after that, we're going to type address, and then payable, and then public, and then owner. Alright, after that, we're going to make constructor. In order to declare the owner is equals to message to sender as the global variable, and we're gonna type owner is equals to msg.sender, and because we already make it payable, so we gotta type payable in front of it like this. Alright, so after that we're gonna type function of receive. So in this function, the owner can receive a certain amount of Ether from another address, but only the owner can send the amount of Ether to the other address. So after type receive, type external, and then type payable, and then type curly braces like this, empty the curly braces like that, and then after that we are going to create a function to withdraw and then inside of this argument type uint and then name it with underscore amount, and then type external, and then after that we're gonna make some sort of requirement in this parentheses, type message.sender is equals to the owner, and if the function doesn't work, then it will call the statement of the color is not the owner like this. And then after that we're gonna make payable, and then message to sender, and then transfer, then instead of the parentheses type underscore amount like this. Alright, transfer, sorry about that, transfer. Okay, in this function basically only the owner can be able to send the amount of Ether to the other contract. So if you change the address to send the amount of Ether to the other contract, and then it doesn't work. Matter of fact, you're gonna call the statement the color is not the owner, like we wrote before. Alright, and then last thing that I'm going to show you is how to get balance. Function get balance, and then type external view returns. Alright, we're gonna return the uint, and then we're gonna return address this dot balance. Okay, in order to make it balance and in order to save that the guest. Alright, so after that, compile it. I already auto compile it first and then deploy it. And before that, in my case, in this Remix IDE, I'm gonna use Shanghai version of Remix Virtual Machine because I already tried the London version of Remix Virtual Machine and it didn't work. So in this case, I'm gonna use Shanghai version of Remix, and then after that, deploy it. Alright, it succeed. You can also see the detail down below around here, and then we are going to test it. Send one amount of Ether, and then after that click transact, and it is also succeed. The owner should be right here. Match it up. Alright, 0x5p3. Alright, 0x5p3. okay, get balance should be this amount of Ether. So if you asking why this amount of Ether is this amount, it is because it is typed on way. So what is way? So basically way is the smallest of the denominations of the Ether. You can also see right here, so Ether is the biggest and way is the smallest. So basically it is that simple, right? Don't get confused. Okay, so after that we are going to withdraw this amount of way to the owner. So withdraw that. Alright, it is success, and get balance should be back to 0. Alright, so that's it. It is pretty much the video. See you guys soon. Peace out.